Hello, beautiful people. It's so good to have you here. So today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make your homemade pancake. Okay, let's go. So I'll be placing a few scoops of white flour into my bowl, just a few scoops. Then I'll add some sugar, some granulated sugar, and then I'm going to add water. Okay, and I'm stirring into a fine paste. We'll do a lot of stirring so that until the mixture is smooth. So we'll keep stirring, and you can see the mixture is now getting smooth. So it's actually smooth enough, and at this point we can now add our milk. I'm going to use liquid milk, although you can use powder milk. Whatever you have works, either liquid or powder, but most times I prefer to use liquid milk. So at this point I'm adding my egg, just one egg, and then I'll stir until it turns into a very smooth mixture. But the consistency is still a bit thick, so I'm going to be adding a little more water, and then I'll stir and mix everything up. So you can see this is my desired consistency, and then I'll go ahead and start frying. So now I'll flip it over to the other side, so the other side too can get fried. And our first pancake is ready. We don't have to allow it to get burnt, so this at this point it's okay. So we'll remove it from the pan into a plate, and then we go ahead with the next one. So you guys can see how easy it is to make pancake at home. Let us know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please do like, share, save, and subscribe to this channel, and God will bless you. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in our next video. Bye.